What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Nat, and welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Natalia Cintron. For those who don't know, I make videos on my entrepreneur journey. Basically, I do a lot to try to become an entrepreneur. Recently, I just started my own lingerie business, but I also trade in the foreign exchange market, which I go ahead and make videos on that as well. And I vlog my network marketing journey as well. So I do a lot of things to try to become an entrepreneur. Here's my journey, and that's what I document here on my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're already part of the gang, thank you for watching another video. And y'all, today is like a crazy, my last video, you guys got that to 3,000 views already. Like, that's crazy, and it's still building views. Like, I'm sorry, I'm like slouching and stuff. Let me stand up. That video is like, oh, you guys did that. Like, y'all, I see you guys like these type of videos. So that's awesome. I'm still gonna be posting some trading videos here and there. Because I do, like I said, I do trade, and I do like to show people what I do so they can learn how to trade as well. So my boss babes out there who are watching this, it is good to learn how to trade. Like, trading in the foreign exchange market, learning how to trade currencies is really good. So I do advise you to look into it and hit me up if you're ever interested on doing it. Like I said, it's an amazing skill set to learn. Your job is never ever guaranteed. We all figured that out this year in 2020, that your job is not guaranteed. Having one source of income isn't that great either when you have 1,000 bills to pay with that one paycheck. So look into new things to try to get you more source of income so you could be an entrepreneur. You could be that millionaire you always wanted to be. But yeah, that's not what this video is about. Yo, this is another lingerie journey haul video, sorry. Please don't mind how I look. I'm busted, cussed, and disgusted on this channel 9 times out of 10, and I really don't care how I look, so you shouldn't either. So you dig. But y'all, for anyone who else owns a small business and has bought inventory during this holiday and during COVID, yo, anybody else had a shit ton of problems and delays during this holiday season? Because y'all see, when I posted that video, it's been 3 weeks, and I finally yesterday just got my shipment. And I'm still missing some, my other pair of lashes. I'm still waiting on those. It's probably coming next week. It's been crazy. And I know UPS, the post office has been going through a lot, especially now with COVID. I know that they knocked down their amount of employees that they had, and the procedures are really different now. So delivering items and stuff has been crazy. Why do I look like that? I don't know, I look more weird. But I know delivering packages right now has been hectic for them, so I don't blame them. But yo, when you're trying to run a business, people are ordering from you, it's like, oh my god, you have that anxiety of, my stuff needs to be here so I can satisfy my customers so they can continue to buy from me. But it's like, okay, I'm still a customer trying to wait for my package to get here. So it's like, it's been crazy, but they're finally here, thank god. I have 30 pieces, 15 of each, which I'll show you in a second. But if you don't know, like I said, I do own a lingerie website. I do own a lingerie business. It is called the Nazanin Collection. Nazanin in Persian means sweetheart, so it's called the Sweetheart Collection, but Nazanin, yeah, that's what it means in Persian. So it's been stressful, but I also did a photo shoot recently on it. You can follow the Nazanin Collection Instagram with 2 N's at the end to see some of my photos. And plot twist, to all my workers out there, my online workers, ladies, don't let anybody tell you what to do with your money, right? So I'm all over the place, but your girl got an ONLYFANS, okay? And I just started it, just came up with this idea because why not, you feel me? So because I'm taking photos for my company in my lingerie, I might as well sell some of the photos on OnlyFans and make some more money. So I do have an OnlyFans. It is my name, Natalia Cintron, I think, or if not, it'll be in the description down below, like what it actually is. I don't remember. But it should be my name. I think so. But yeah, so it'll get most, like, the campaign photos that you don't see on my website will be there. So like it's a little exclusive incentive for people to go ahead and support and see the full campaign. None of the pictures will be raunchy or very a lot of nudity in there. No offense to other girls who do post that. Do your thing, get that coin, period. But because most of these pictures are for my website and for marketing, they're very tasteful lingerie photos, like how Fenty does it, how Victoria's Secret does it. It's very, very tasteful. But for anybody who wants to do see those and are interested in them, go ahead and check out my OnlyFans. It is $10 a month to see them, and the more products I get, the more you'll see of me. So there you go. It's a win-win. You buy more stuff from me, I grow my inventory, you get more photos of me on OnlyFans. That's how that goes. But yes. Oh, and I also have a new item, a new lingerie piece that I'll be adding to the website. It's more of it's a robe and G-string set. It's really cute. It's going to be called Daddy's Little Secret. It's all black. It comes in small all the way to, I think, extra large or 2XL. And I'll show you in a second as well. But enough of me rambling. Let's go ahead and let me show you my inventory really quickly. I'm not going to show you like the whole, well, why not, right? Let me show you my inventory. Let me show you what I got. And let's go from there. Okay, so I already hung everything and organized it to make it look good. But here we have our pieces. So we'll go small, medium, large, small, medium, large. This is in my closet, so that's why you have my random stuff here. But this is our bodysuit, and this is our 2-piece. Really cute. Right now, like I said, I went ahead, organized them, and I also added our hang tags to them. But I have to go ahead and put the size on the back of the hang tags, so to make it easier for me to sort through them and figure them out. But this is our inventory for now. But yeah, guys, go ahead and shop for me. Our bodysuits, I believe, are $34, and then are $32. Our bodysuits are $32, and then our 3-piece set is going to be $34. Every time I change it, in the first video I said with every lingerie piece, but I changed it to when your first order of lingerie you get a free candle. Reason being, I am in the works of adding candles to the website, because why not? To touch on the subject a little bit more, the reason why I'm adding candles is because so I'm trying to make this like a one-stop shop website for that special night, right? If you and your bae are about to get it on, you got your lingerie, you got your lashes, let's add the candles to it too, making everything perfect, you feel me? So I'm in the works of making my own personalized candles, so I will be added to the website for you girls and guys out there to go ahead and get your own set. Sorry, my computer finally, after 800 years, turned on. So but yeah, so, and then our newest piece is going to be this right here. It looks weird. Well, it's backwards. First off, it looks kind of weird, obviously, but it's a robe, as you can tell. It is a lace black robe, and like I said, it runs from small all the way to 2X, and it comes with this G-string. It's called Daddy's Little Secret on the website, and this would be available for pre-sale by the time you see this video, and it's going to retail at $28. So you can go ahead and purchase, and when you purchase for the first time with me, you also get a free candle on the house from your girl. So, and you might have a little bit extra more goodies, you feel me? But yeah, that was basically my inventory. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is label everything. I still have yet to fully label my lashes, so I'm gonna do that too during this video. I'm gonna have 2 orders to actually go ahead and package. I have one here so far. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is package those orders, probably make a TikTok with it too, and then I'll get right back to you. So enjoy. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is actually making little labels with my label maker to go ahead and actually label my lashes so I can remember what's what in the box. Quick funny story, I literally was I persuaded this lady not to buy the tape for this at the store at Target today. She was literally had it in her hand and I told her not to get it. It wasn't good. Get the other one so I can buy it. Has anyone done that before? Persuaded somebody at the store not to get something so you can buy it? But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna fast forward this part and add music because while I'm doing this, I'm actually watching Power. If you watch, or should I say Ghost, whatever it's called now. But if you watch Power, shout out to you, y'all. Sunday, new episode just dropped, period. But yeah, this part I'm gonna fast forward for you guys and cut some of it out so it's not too long. But that's basically what I'm doing right now. So yeah. Hey guys, so really quickly, it's the next day. I forgot to finish out the video. Power, Ghost, whatever y'all want to call it, was going so good, and then my mind blanked and I was like, yeah, whatever, let's not finish this. But it's the next day. I actually finished what I was doing, and then I actually got done packaging the order, and I have another one over there. So my fault, guys. But don't worry, because I'll be making more of these videos so you guys can see them. If you follow me on TikTok, it is the Nazanin Collection. You can actually see me packaging the order along at, if you look on Instagram, it's the Nazanin Collection with 2 N's. Look at our reels. You can watch me package the order. But thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I'm so sorry. Like, I've been slacking on YouTube, so I apologize, but we'll be back at it very soon. And like I mentioned earlier, I do have an OnlyFans. Like it's the next day, so I looked it up, see what it was. My OnlyFans is Simply Natalia XO, so you can actually see the behind the scenes photo shoots that I do for my lingerie collection. The photos that don't make it to our Instagram or don't make it to the website, you can see them all at onlyfans.com / or / whichever one it is, Simply Natalia XO, and there will be exclusive photos there for those who do have or want to follow me, subscribe. I don't know what it's called on, I have a mosquito bite. Whatever it's called on OnlyFans, whatever you subscribe, you follow, you sub, I don't know, whatever, blah, blah, blah. You can see me on there. But again, thank you guys so much for getting me to 3,000 views on my last video. Let's go ahead and do the same with this one. Let's try to get me to 1,000 followers. Can we please? By the end of the year, that'd be a great Christmas present if you guys can. But definitely would love that if you guys could. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for those who have started following me. I look forward to reading your guys' comments, learning from you guys. If you are also a small business and you have any suggestions, comments, or concerns about what I'm doing, please don't be afraid to comment down below. I love working and meeting new people and connecting with other small businesses. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I look forward to see you guys in the next video, and have a great rest of your day. Peace.